Hi, I'm Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Have you experienced that when you're working, a lot of us now working with the computers every day and we're sitting most of the time, have you experienced like soreness on your neck or on your lower back? I have a quick tip for you. This is something that I share with my patients all the time. I tell them to move frequently. So that way your muscles, will not get too sore because of the stationary position and the blood will keep flowing. Now, how often is frequently? That's a question that I get asked back. What I would recommend is I want you to move every 30 minutes. Now, if you are having pain on like you're having neck pain or back pain that's active or acute, meaning you're currently undergoing the pain, I would have you move actually every 15 minutes. I want you to move more frequently. But for preventive or for maintenance, I would recommend moving every 30 minutes. That way, you will prevent your muscles from getting fatigued. You'll prevent the muscle spasm from setting in. Overall, you just, will prevent the pain from setting in. All right. So try doing that in terms of what exercises to do. We'll discuss that in the future. But try to move every 30 minutes and then see what happens. If you like this video, please feel free to share this with your friends and family. Feel free to comment below, or you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.